You may have heard the old adage about selling in May and going away. That's more to do with stocks on the markets. But I think this may be the year where you're going to want to sell in May and go away with your house. We're seeing rises in forbearance. Part of that is because of the stimulus measures and all the assistance the government's been giving us. For many of you, I know it's your first time here. My name is Peter Leeds, and along with my wonderful and professional team, we are your small stock specialists. And nothing we ever say here or in anything is intended as personalized trading advice for you. Do your own due diligence, make your own investment choices. A lot of people who couldn't afford their mortgages had a natural long life, so to speak, where they got away with not being able to pay it for a long time, and now that is expiring, and there's a sudden all this pressure on people who are having trouble in their mortgages. And what do I always tell you? I tell you something's artificial, it's temporary. When they artificially help everybody out with forbearance plans and assistances, that is going to come back to haunt them when those forbearance plans go away, just like we're seeing now. This is what you should be expecting. So what have we seen? We've seen a spike in foreclosures, quarter one to quarter two, of 32%. Compared to a year ago, foreclosures are up 67%, which it's more alarming than it should be because it was because of a low base when there was no foreclosures, when the government was helping everybody. But you're going to expect those numbers to continue to rise. There's a new person entering forbearance every minute and 4 seconds. So get used to it this year. That's going to be a big theme of where the economy is going. The economy, the housing market, it's all going to be having a lot of downward pressure. And what else are we seeing? What else did I say? I said that inflation was going to come down when everybody's telling you it's going to go higher. What are we seeing now? We're seeing that used car prices are already starting to come down. There's other things as well. And they were at record highs, as you know. Used cars were under a tremendous amount of demand, not enough cars for sale. And so a lot of people were driving up the prices, but that's starting to come down now. That's how it's beginning, and it'll get even more extreme, and it'll come down a lot faster going forward. Cox Automotive said on Friday that its Manheim Used Vehicle Index, which tracks prices of used vehicles sold in its U.S. wholesale auctions, declined 1% in April from March. Wholesale vehicle prices dropped 6.4% since the January report. And the article goes on to say, however, that used car prices are still historically high, and they're about 14% higher from a year ago. And I want to do something that people don't ever do. Nobody does this. I'm going to tell you guys to go and see a video that will really help you. And it's somebody else's video. It's not a collaboration or anything. I watched this video. She did a great job explaining what she was trying to say, and it's so important that you see this. And the fact that no one ever does this, the fact that I don't ever do this and I'm doing it now, should tell you how important it is that I understand you need to see exactly this video from second one right to the end. So I'm going to put a link below this video and at the end of this video as well, seeing this awesome video that's really going to open your eyes even more from Zang. And in terms of the gold coin contest, I know you guys are waiting. We've got 0 entries so far. So think about how good your odds are. People are waiting. They want to wait a bit later because you have all of May to enter your entries, to send in your pictures, your photos. But understand they're going to be putting these photos on camera, so you're going to all see all the entries. And if you want to be the very first one to send in an entry, it's going to be the first one everybody sees, and it's going to be more memorable. It might increase your odds of winning the actual gold coin contest. So please make sure, join us on Twitter and subscribe to this channel. We're going to really help you guys out as much as we can. We love doing it, and we really hope that we're helping you guys understand this economy that is going off the rails.